Here at Marquardt, we always want to take existing technologies to the next level, including those in washing machines. In development, we first have our customer needs in mind. Then we think about the how.
Our 3D sensor have been relying on the Hall effect for 15 years.
Contact-free,
damage-resistant,
energy efficient.
completely silent.
Thanks, Edwin Hall.
For us it was clear that we can enable some exciting functions with the next generation of 3D sensors. And this under extreme, challenging conditions. That's Marquardt quality.
The 3D sensor consists of a permanent magnet on the outer tub and a sensor element on the rear wall. This structure ensures that the location of the tub can be recorded in all 3 dimensions. These are the basics.
For an effective washing cycle, the laundry is repeatedly directed upwards and dropped downwards. The next generation 3D sensor detects the exact position 6 times faster and 3 times more accurately than older sensors. This allows to intervene quickly and find the perfect number of turns.
Better balance leads to noise reduction during rotation.
Even an enlargement is feasible.
Intelligent processes and algorithms within the 3D sensor can be used to self-calibrate the sensor system and compensate for geometric and magnetic deviations.
The 3D sensor by Marquardt takes washing machines to a new level. Efficiency made by Marquardt.